Are your fingers, wrists, elbows, shoulders tight or in pain from too much typing, gripping things, or just daily life? This is the practice for you. We're going to do some beautiful Qi Gong silk reeling. We're going to move every joint all the way up the arm, releasing that tension and restoring natural joint mobility. If you don't move your joints through their full range of motion every day, they'll stop being able to do it. So join me. Take a seat and let's do a really short practice. Let's start with the fingers. We're going to start with a beautiful little massage. Feels really good. Just coming up to the top knuckle and just pushing down the finger a couple times. Just moving the energy down the fingers. Yeah, feeling that joint. Notice how your body's feeling. Always kind of take, okay, yeah, that finger feels pretty good. Which hand feels better than the other hand? Moving all the stuff down. Great. And just do a little of this and a little of this. Moving those joints. Yeah, feels pretty good. Now put the hands together like this. We're going to scoop in. This actually starts getting your elbows. So we join the elbows to that and the wrist all at the same time. Yeah, it's really important to keep the joints all moving. It nourishes them, gets more nutrients into them so that they can heal if they have some sort of inflammation or issue. So this kind of movement just is fabulous for increasing your range of mobility and maintaining it. So if you don't even have an issue, this is still a really good practice to do. Let's go the opposite direction, as if we're offering. Just offering. You can even get the shoulders involved a little bit. Just working within your range of motion. So any little bit, it's your body is going to increase your range of motion. So we always say 70%. In Qi Gong, if you work at 70%, your body responds by opening and giving you more. So just work with your own body. And we're getting rid of old energy. We can do we're just going to make a movement like this with the elbow, but I like to put my hand on it. So if you can do that, it just gives a little extra rub. And when you're using your hand to rub tissue, it actually helps the energy flow into that area. So one direction, let's go the opposite direction. The elbows well done. A lot of muscles in the forearm when you're typing, and that joint gets a little workout. Other side. So this benefits the body because you're releasing stagnant energy. It takes tension. Tension takes energy. And once you get it released, stiffness takes energy. We're meant to be loose. And so once you get that released, you got more energy flowing to you. I think I went both ways. Yeah, all that talking. So let's just dangle the shoulder down a little bit, loosening it up, and then we're going to pull it up to the ear and back down. Nice rotation for the shoulder joint. Really gentle, but very profound, releasing some tension in the neck as well. So yeah, up to the ear and back down. Just a few of these. Loosens up that joint, makes sure it's very flexible. Because a lot of times people, as a massage therapist in my younger days, a lot of times people would come in, they'd have injuries because they did something that they normally have done, except for they were stiff that day. And so the joint wasn't warmed up and they ended up pulling a rotator cuff or something like that. So that's why it's just important to keep everything warmed up every day and not to do anything radical when it's not warmed up. Other side, loosen that up a little bit, pull it up and in. I think I'm squeaking against the wall. Pull it up and in. There we go. So yeah, squeezing out tension, stagnant energy, letting fresh nutrients flow into the joint, letting fresh energy flow into the joint. Yeah, it doesn't take very much to keep our body in such good condition. Just a little bit. Just a little bit every day. So yeah, settle in. Notice how your body's feeling. Can you feel that energy going down the arms, up the arms? Yeah, a little movement every day is a great thing. And come back tomorrow, we're going to activate the lymphatic pump. Get your immune system working and get everything loosened up. Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep coming back. A little movement every day does miracles.